detailing the car this afternoon, got it all nice. Oi, nah. Hey guys, we're about to head off to the Downshift meet. It's the first Gold Coast meet in Carrara, which is going to be sick because it's just down the road from us. Most of the time Downshift have their meets up in Brisbane, like Beenleigh area. So been detailing the car this afternoon, got it all nice. Oi, nah. A bird has shit on my car. Hang on. Pause. Okay, let's continue. So, a bird rudely shit on my car. Which isn't fun. One of my mates, Jacob's coming. He's on the way with his blue 180. And we're going to cruise there together. Zara's coming, so it's going to be a good time. We need to get a sticker made up for this at some stage. I'm trying to think of like a good brand name instead of just my name or like some sort of nickname. So if you have any ideas, put it in the comments below.
It's alright, yeah. Said I was raised in the days of MySpace and screen names. Back then when I was only worried about my top friends. Now my circle is getting smaller, all these people acting fake, man. And to be honest, I don't even have a top 10. Me against the world, I've been doing what I really love. Haters been hiding behind the screen, man, they movie cuts. And when I'm back at home, it never feels the same, cause we've been doing our own thing, trying to stay up. I wanna go back to days with no grades. We ordered the kids meal, play ball, that's all day now. I'm stuck looking at this Instagram page, but these likes on my picture don't result in getting paid now. I've been wondering where the party at, cause all of my concerns got me wondering where they got the Bacardi at. So go and pour another drink.
I love it so much, you come.
Never let them tell you you can't do it. Hard times, but you're gonna get through it. I promise you, cause I've been there. Got up and I put my mind to it. They told me no, but I told them yes. And I used to feel all alone, so depressed. But I fought back, now I smile again. If I ever fail, I'ma just try again. And I felt pain that I thought I'd never end. But I prayed long and I played my cards. Then the stars aligned, cause I worked hard. Then God went and threw me a curveball. I still swung, hit a home run. And look fear in the face, I don't run. I seen that, but I'm still blessed. I come from a world of no love. I'm hustling off of my family. Boy, I never had nothing handed me. People done shit to me you can't believe. Back in high school, bitches would laugh at me. Now they hitting me up, saying what's up. Do you remember me? I'm tryna fuck. Nah, I don't fuck with you. With the struggle hard, gotta hustle harder. Put me in the game, I'm the fucking starter. I'm the man in my city like Peter Parker. My only role model is my mama and father. I'ma pay their bills, stack that bread. So much damn shit going on in my head. Used to think that I'd be better off there. Then I realized every day is a blessing. Never fail till you stop trying. Soon I'ma be in your top 5. Sometimes I wish I could stop time. Tell me God, why the Pac die? No, I had to die young to become a legend. Cause I don't really wanna fucking die right now. Every single day in my life I'm stressing. I've been working hard as my time right now. I bled first and I shed tears. I'll be a household name by next year. I ain't give a shit when I met fear. I'm better turn it up into next gear. I do things that I shouldn't. I did what they said I couldn't. I'm still with the same team that I came up with. Not like Drew Gooden. God will never put you through a situation that you can't do it. I know when I speak y'all feel it. My cup's low, can you feel it? I'm pouring up for my loved ones and my dead friends that ain't make it. When life get hard and it get rough and you feel like you can't take it, search deep down inside, find the last bit of hope. This life one hell of a ride, I'm hanging on by a rope. Then God sent me a sign, said carry on with your day. Just stop stressing and tripping, take a breath, it's gonna be okay, rest.
it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands I be pulling up. Tell your friends cause I'm pulling up. Ready or not, I be pulling up. Remember they said I'm not good enough. I took all the energy, turned it to greatness. Now look at my life, man, it's looking amazing. I'm ready for anything, anyone. I've been so ready for everything I become. When I was stuck, I had no other option. Believed in myself when the shit wasn't popping. I got it like that. Who you know got it like that? Who you know getting degrees and they rapping like they got diplomas in rap. Made it this far and I still got a lot to accomplish. In fact, and I know they believe it. I'm talking arenas from LA to Sweden. I never stop winning, I feel undefeated. I come to your city and everyone pulling up. Pulling up, shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands I be pulling up. Tell your friends cause I'm pulling up. Pulling up, shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands I be pulling up. Tell your friends cause I'm pulling up. Pull up, I get what I want. I need a million ones. I need a couple of states to put all the haters back into their place. Now bringing the bass. Ayy, ready for the big league. Never gonna miss me when I'm on the TV. I'm the MVP. Whenever they hear me kill it, they be coming at me, but I hit them with a pivot. I've been ready for the shit. Never gonna quit. Pull up and I'm never gonna miss. Everybody want it, but I know I gotta get it. I've been dedicated to a life I know I gotta live. Ayy, I feel it coming. I settle for nothing. I know what I need and it's more than the money. It's more than a woman. Not easy to reach, but I know that I gotta be pulling up. Pulling up, shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done.
So that was Downshift, the night shift at Carrara Markets. And we had a wicked time. There was some really cool cars out. It was packed, probably over 1,000 people here. But now there's a lot of cops outside. So hopefully we can get home without getting pulled over. That would be ideal. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked it, like, comment and subscribe. See you on the next one.